practice, creating content was never this easy. Big creators like Raj Shamani, Varun Maya, and MrBeast are crushing it with AI tools, and today I'm revealing the same tools that will boost your content and growth by 10 times. Stick around, and if you subscribe to Digital AI Dollars, you'll always stay ahead in the game. Then first of all, MrBeast has told that he pays up to $10,000 for his 3 thumbnails. And many big creators also tell that if you want views on your video, then getting clicks on the thumbnail is very high. This is important, and you must have also seen how Dhruv Rathi uses AI images in between and keeps his audience hooked. It gives you AI-generated images within seconds, and its quality is at a very top-notch level. First of all, you have to click on decohere.ai, real-time image generation, and your prompt is, as you keep improving your prompts, it will keep generating 10 to 15 real-time images, and you can also download them in HD quality. If you want to use images in your thumbnails, then what can you do? With the help of these AI tools, you can swap your face in AI images. So what will happen with this? Your AI-generated thumbnails will also be ready, and the clicks on it will also be very high. Will come, but now I will tell you how you will swap your faces in these AI images. There's a tool named FaceSwap.io. Here first, you have to drag and drop your original image here, and next your face, and it will swap your face in seconds, which you can use in your thumbnails without capturing pictures for good pose. Now let's talk about our next tool. Now some people make just one reel in a week, and on the other side, people create mass content just because of one tool. The name of the tool I'm talking about is PlayHT, where you can clone your voice for free and get multiple scripts extracted from it. First of all, you have to go to the website of PlayHT, and here you have to select the option of voice clone. Here, it will ask for 30 seconds. Select the option of voice cloning. Do it and add your voice here. Make sure that your voice is of very high quality and the minimum duration is 30 seconds. Clone the voice here. Now, the next thing you have to do is to enter the scripts that you want to call from your clone. I will quickly enter one of my scripts here. Now, let's see what results it gives us.
Hey everyone, welcome to, Beyond the Visible. I'm your host, Alex. And Unwell, this podcast, RS going to be a deep dive into the universe and, all its mysteries SO. Have you ever looked up at the stars and thought, what ets out there that we're not seeing?
So if you also have a faceless channel on Instagram or on YouTube, you can use this tool, and it is totally free. There is no need to purchase the 11 Labs paid subscription, and in every account, you can make 20,000 words voiceover for free.
가 자신의 비즈니스를 위해 도메인을 하나 구매했는데 나중에 그 도메인이 to create e-commerce stores on WordPress, and many service-based businesses are also
No, brother. She does not know Korean and she knows English. But she has not spoken English in this video. She has made her video multi-language. With the help of this particular tool, you must have seen many big creators like MrBeast and even very big creators upload their videos in multiple languages and get millions of views. So you can do this for free with the help of this AI tool. The name of the tool is Hagen. First of all, you should visit Hagen's website. You have to come to and click on video translation. Now, first of all, upload your video, select your original language, and select the language in which you want to convert your voice. As soon as you do this, your video will be ready. Within 15 minutes, your video will be ready here, and it does not degrade anything from your lip sync to your audio quality. It looks exactly the same as when you watched her video, but there is one more thing. You must have seen that big creators like Varun Maya have created an AI clone of themselves. You can do this with the help of Hagen. Here you have to click on AI avatars and complete the entire process. We'll create a realistic AI clone of you and give you the tools to create content. You can automate everything with the help of Hagen and create your own videos. Now let us talk about our number 4 tool. I have found a very easy solution for a very big problem: how to add captions for free in YouTube Shorts or in Instagram Reels. There are tons of paid tools, but here's a free one. You can add captions in your videos and properly edit your CapTopians, and also you can download it in HD quality without watermark. First, you need to come on the Clipchamp website, and you can easily sign up and upload your video here. You will see an option of auto translation or AI script. Then what you have to do with the AI script is to click on it. What it will do is automatically add captions to your video. If your video is in Hindi, then it will add captions in Hindi. And if you want to change your captions from Hindi to English, then that option is also available here, and you will very easily download it, everything from transition to BGM on spot, so that you can create proper videos. Now let's talk about our next tool. You must have seen that many content creators use AI videos in their videos. They convert their text into videos with the help of AI videos. They use Luma Labs in their videos. You have to come to Luma Labs AI, whatever video you want to create. Basically give it a prompt of it and it will generate the video and give it to you, and if you have any images that you want. Friend, I want a video version of this image. So here you have to upload your image directly. It will extract the video format of that image and give it to you, which you can use in a very powerful way in your videos. So these were some powerful free AI tools, by using which you can take your content creation game to the next level. If you want me to create content related to such AI tool and bring videos on it, then do let me know in the comment box and more. It would be better if you like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you get the content of AI and tutorial only on Digital A Dollars channel. And if you want to boost your content creation with all-in-one AI tools, so click on the left video, or if you want to earn money without any efforts, so click on the right video, and I will see you there by